The Surround View Monitor feature on your Hyundai helps with parking by allowing the driver to see around the vehicle. But did you know that you can also use the Surround View Monitor on your MyHyundai with Bluelink app? To use Surround View Monitor within the app, you must have an active Bluelink subscription as well as connectivity for your vehicle and your mobile device. Open the app, select Menu, and then select Surround View Monitor. You'll see the most recent images around your vehicle, as well as the time they were taken. Select Request Images to refresh the images around your vehicle. You can also choose the view you wish to see. You can choose the surround view, overhead view, or view each camera individually. Note that in order to see the updated images, you must leave the current screen and go back into Surround View Monitor screen. You can also save images to photos. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at MyHyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to explore the how-to guides at the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and at MyHyundai.